Good afternoon, students. Welcome to all of you in maths class, student. In exercise 16.1, they are given question number 5th. Draw the figure of given angles. Okay. Here, some angles given to you, that is 30 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, 120, 180 degree. Okay. And we have to draw the figure of given angles. Okay. So, today in this class, we draw the given angles with the help of protractor. Okay. In this protractor, here you see the inner scale, that is anti-clockwise, okay, and the outer scale, this is your outer scale, okay, and that is your clockwise, okay. So whenever we have to create angles, that is 0 to 180 degree, we used to create with the help of inner scale, okay, 0 degree, 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, okay. And here you see, student, in this protractor, here you see that is a small line and also a big line, okay. And this small line, there is gap of 1 degree, okay. And this capital, that is big line, okay, that is the 5 degree. So here 0 to and this big line, that is 5 degree, okay. And when we add this 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we got the 10 degree, okay, inner scale. So small lines point that present the 1 degree difference, and this big line to this big line, that is 5 degree, okay. So if you want to make the 15 degree angle, okay, so you go after the 10, because 10 plus 5, that is 15. So here, this point, from here to here, this point, this is your 15 degree angles measure, okay. So let's start. Here 30 degree. So you have to scale, protractor, eraser if needed, okay, and a sharp pencil, okay. If we take a blunt pencil, then their measurement different from the actual measurement, okay. So when you take a pencil, then sharp is, okay. Now here we have to make 30 degree angle. So we draw a straight line, okay. Suppose AB. Now take this protractor and we match this point, okay, from this, okay. We match this point A, that is from here, and we put this protractor this way that the line covered by this protractor line, this line, okay, this line covered by our pencil line. So I put this protractor this way, this. So here you see, this is our point, okay, and this protractor line cover our pencil line. If we make protractor in different way, then you see our line so in protractor. So this is wrong method, okay. Always you keep your protractor proper way, that this point, this is your point A and this is the line, and we take this protractor on our pencil line, okay, that is equal. Now this point match, okay, दिख नहीं रहा है, यानी जो पेंसिल लाइन है और ये आपका प्रोटेक्टर का लाइन, ठीक है, दोनों ही नहीं दिख रहा है. दैट मीन्स कि आवर प्रोटेक्टर इन प्रॉपर वे, ओके. नाउ 30 डिग्री, हियर यू सी 0, 10, 20 and 30 degree, okay. So for 30 degree, this is big line, okay. So we make point here, only small point. Now we match this point to this point or increase, okay. And here, because you all know angle made from two arms raise, ठीक है, जिसका एक common point होता है, and we name this C, and this is your angle 30 degree, okay. Now 45 degree, we make a This is your A point and a small point only. Okay, A, B. Now same process. This is your protector point, center point, and this is your line. Okay, we put this way, this point on our pencil point and this line equal. Okay, now 45 degree, that is 40 plus 5. Okay, so here you see this big line for 40, but we want to 45. So this is small measurement 1 2 3 4 5, that is for 45. We place the point here and now we match this point. Okay, see, $45. Okay, now 90 degree, that is right angle. Okay, suppose PQ. Now we put this protector this way, that cover our line proper way and point this center point. Okay, now 90 degree here, this is your 90 degree. Okay, PQR. The name of the angle is QPR, or we say RPQ. Here we see in this first CAB, or we say BAC. How we write? Angle CAB, or we write, और क्या लिख सकते हैं? Angle BAC. Now we make 120 degree angle. AB. Okay, now this is your protector center point and right proper way. Now put this protector, okay, this way, that cover our point and this line. Okay, now we have to make 120 degree. So here student, in inner scale 180 degree, so 90 degree, okay, 100, 110, 120, that is greater than 90 degree. Okay, so here 120. Okay, and this angle is 120 degree, that is greater than 90 degree. Okay, so this way you got help. अगर 120 150 डिग्री आ रहा है, that means कि greater than 90 डिग्री. Okay, so 90 डिग्री आपका एक स्ट्रेट लाइन होता है परपेंडिकुलर, तो 90 डिग्री से बड़ा 120 डिग्री इधर ही होगा. Okay, now 150 डिग्री. First we now we put this protector, this point to this point. Okay, you have to put the protector proper way, that our point not so from this protector. ठीक है, अगर हम इधर उधर रखेंगे तो देखिए हमारा पॉइंट दिख रहा है ना. ठीक है, तो हमें इस सेंटर पॉइंट पे ही रखना है. एंड दिस लाइन कवर दिस प्रोटेक्टर लाइन. किसी किसी प्रोटेक्टर में बना हुआ होता है, किसी किसी में नहीं भी बना हो सकता. 150 डिग्री. 120 degree is here. 30 40 50 degree, this big line. Now we match this point proper way. So every time you make this angle with sharp pencil and draw line proper way. 150 degree. Okay, X Y Z. Okay, so name of the angle, this is the sign of the angle, X Y Z. और क्या कह सकते हैं? X Y Z कह सकते हैं, या फिर Z Y X. Now we make a 180 degree angle. That is very simple. Okay, so this is a A and B, and this is the center. Okay, and this is your 180 degree. Very simple. Okay, now student, we will create 225 degree angle. Okay, so when we create any reflex angle, here 225, so you all know 180 degree angle, okay, plus 45, okay, we got 225 degree angle. Okay, so 120 plus 45 degree, and you all know 180 degree angle, that is this. Okay, and 45 more, that means ki greater than 180. Okay, we add 1 in 180, that is 45 degree angle, then we got 200. तो ये 180 हो गया आप लोगों का, और इसे 45 हम और ऐड कर लेंगे, तो this angle is 225. Okay, so first we create or draw straight line. We make this point. Okay, here A, point B. Now you all know this is your 180 degree. Okay, when we complete this, this is your 180 degree. Now we have to add 45 degree more, so we turn this protractor, we put this protractor on this point, and this is straight line, and from here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and this point is 45, this big line. Okay, now we match this point to this center point. Okay, so here see, now we got this from here, this is your 225 degree angle. We add 180 plus 45 degree. Okay, so this way we create 225 degree, and this way we create another angles. Okay, that is greater than 180 degree.